Hello, my name is Rebecca from Sweet Elise Bakery. Today I wanted to show you how I'm going to decorate this very simple heart-shaped cookie and turn it into something really cute with some airbrushing and wet on wet techniques. What I'm doing right now is outlining the cookie, and this is so when I go in to fill the cookie, the icing is not going to overflow because I will be using a thinner icing. I usually use a thick icing consistency to flood. Not everybody does, but that is my preference. But today, since we're doing wet on wet, which I'm fixing to show you in the video, it needs to be a little thinner. So now I'm going to take a coral pink color and I'm just going to add dots. This is the same thin consistency as the light pink. I am not going in any certain pattern. You can if you want to, but with this design, I just thought random dots would be just fine. So what I didn't show you is I added some edible glitter. This is the Diamond Dust by Sugar Art. It is 100% edible and it's in white. They have all kinds of colors. I'm actually very new to this product and I am sold. I will buy every color they have eventually. So now I'm taking my airbrush and I'm just spraying along the edges, not to completely fill the cookie. It's going to add a shadow or an outline, whatever you want to call it. It just adds a little something extra to this very basic shape. I did not have a plan going into this. These cookies were ordered very last minute and they were kind of for Valentine's, but after Valentine's. So I didn't want to go full on Valentine's for these. Just something very simple and basic with the Valentine colors. Of course, I made a mess. It'll clean right up, so don't look at that. So like I just said, I really didn't have a plan, which usually I kind of have some idea of what they're going to look like. So after I had it done airbrushing, I was like, I think I'm going to add a scalloped edge, maybe some lace, but I actually ended up going with this very simple line to just make a heart in the middle. And I am so happy that I did. I think any more than this, it would have taken away from the glitter and the airbrush and the polka dots. So I'm happy with my decision. And there is the final cookie. I placed these in clear bags and I tied the tulle. I think that's what it's called. I call it tulle. And I just made a simple bow. I really like how they turned out. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I plan to add more how-tos, answer any questions that you may have about cake or cookie decorating. If you like this video as well, could you please give me a like and subscribe? Thank you so much.